Anxiety is a common experience, but can become overwhelming for some individuals, affecting their daily lives. It's an uneasy feeling that can cause restlessness, making your mind feel like it's racing uncontrollably. Anxiety affects thinking and feelings, triggering the fight or flight response as a preparation for perceived danger. Physical symptoms include a racing heart, sweaty palms, and difficulty breathing, even without an actual threat. Certain triggers, such as public speaking or social situations, can intensify these feelings for many people. Anxiety varies, from constant worries and generalized anxiety disorder to sudden fears and panic disorder. Panic attacks feel overwhelming, but they will pass, and recognizing this is crucial in managing anxiety. While common, anxiety doesn't have to dominate life. Acknowledging it is essential for taking control. Talking to someone, whether a friend or professional, can significantly alleviate anxious feelings. Coping strategies like breathing exercises and mindfulness can help calm the mind and body effectively. It's okay to feel anxious sometimes, but seek support if it becomes unmanageable. You're not alone. Mental health is vital, just like physical health, so let's prioritize and care for it together.